Hello guys, today I want to show you how to remove password on this phone, Forest, which is an MTK 6572, the CPU. After detecting using my platform detector, I found out that is a MTK 6572, the CPU. So using CM2, Infinity CM2 Dongle, you'll first identify the phone, and I'm using this version 1.58. So you'll identify the phone, it will read it as a CPU 6572. So after reading it, you'll come and click on format or reset. Factory reset all. There's option here, you can select which method you want, but for me I selected full factory reset, and this is how I resetted it. I'm using this photo illustration to show you how you can reset a CPU of MTK 6572, and reading is okay. Now I want to format file system, which is formatting now. I'm just showing the photos. Here it has cleared user data, cleared OK, clear cache, cleared OK. The phone has been reset and it's good to go. But this method will erase user data, so you'll tell your client that you can't back up the data, so you'll factory reset. But there are options that you can just read the user codes without formatting, but this option is not available on this phone. Thank you for watching, and remember to click on subscribe button so that you can be getting new updates and videos on phone repairs. Thank you.